Our Earth has a delicate atmosphere. Imagine it as a big, cozy blanket. This blanket traps some of the sun's warmth, keeping our planet at a comfortable temperature. This is a good thing. It's called the greenhouse effect. Without it, Earth would be too cold for us to live. However, too much of a good thing can be bad. Burning fossil fuels like coal, oil and gas releases harmful gases into the atmosphere. These gases act like extra layers added to Earth's blanket, trapping more heat than usual. This is causing our planet to warm up, leading to something called climate change. Imagine a greenhouse filled with beautiful plants. The glass lets sunlight in, keeping the plants warm, but if the glass traps too much heat, the plants will begin to wilt. That's what's happening to our Earth. The consequences of climate change are already being felt around the world. Hotter summers are becoming more common. Weather patterns are changing, leading to more extreme events like floods, droughts, and storms. Glaciers and ice caps are melting at an alarming rate, causing sea levels to rise. For centuries, we have relied heavily on fossil fuels for energy. We burn them to power our cars, heat our homes, and run our factories. However, this dependence on fossil fuels comes at a great cost. When burned, they release massive amounts of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This is like adding extra blankets to our planet, causing it to overheat. The continued burning of fossil fuels is accelerating climate change at an alarming rate. The consequences are already being felt around the world, from more extreme weather events to rising sea levels. It is clear that we need to find a better way to power our planet, one that doesn't come at the cost of our environment. Fortunately, there is hope. Renewable energy sources like solar, wind, hydropower and geothermal offer a cleaner and more sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. These energy sources are like gifts from nature, harnessing the power of the sun, wind, water and earth itself. Imagine a world where our homes are powered by the sun, our cars run on electricity generated by the wind, and our cities are lit by the power of flowing water. This is the promise of renewable energy. Solar panels convert sunlight directly into electricity, providing clean energy for our homes and businesses. Wind turbines harness the kinetic energy of the wind, transforming it into electricity without producing any emissions. Hydropower utilizes the natural flow of water to generate electricity, while geothermal power taps into the Earth's internal heat to provide a constant source of energy. The time to act is now. We must transition away from fossil fuels and embrace renewable energy sources to mitigate the effects of climate change and preserve our planet for future generations. Every individual has a role to play in this global effort. By making conscious choices in our daily lives, we can all contribute to a more sustainable future. We can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels by using public transportation, cycling or walking instead of driving alone. We can conserve energy at home by unplugging appliances when not in use, switching to energy-efficient light bulbs and using less hot water. We can also support policies and initiatives that promote renewable energy and combat climate change. By raising awareness about this critical issue and advocating for change, we can create a better future for ourselves and generations to come. Our planet is precious, and it's time we treat it that way.